Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. It's April 15th and I'm just getting over a really nasty cold. So I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time out here, but I got a little project that I thought, man, it's up above 50 degrees out in the garage. I could actually do some painting. Now this morning we had snow in the yard. Yeah, April 15th. Michigan weather. Gotta figure. Today's supposed to be the only dry day this week, and it snowed and rained this morning, so if this is dry, I guess it's Michigan. Now this is the tank off that Sears Craftsman generator. A little Tecumseh engine on it. And evidently the gas tank on the Tecumseh had rotted out because this is a brand new tank. It still had the red primer paint on it. So I'm gonna put some yellow paint on it so it matches the rest of the Generac. That'll get the paint issue taken care of, and then I just have to do some work on the plugs and point, and then I have to go through and do some assembly on it. Make sure I got all those things put together, get the flywheel tuned up, and mount the magnetron coil, be all ready to go. Apply 2 or more light coats a few minutes apart. A few minutes. I'm going to give it about 15. Then we'll come back out and give it another shot and call it good. Well, now I just have to wait for the paint to dry. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. And maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll get out and actually do some work on the lawnmower. I'm still having a little trouble getting some breath, so I'm going to paint. I'm going to go in the house. I know painting's not good, but it's what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching.